International Friendship Day. What is a friend?
A friend is someone who's kind to us, shares with us, listens to us, cares about us, plays with us, stands up for us if we need help, celebrates our success, cheers us up when we are sad, and always includes us. Friends make every day more fun and special. How to make new friends? Say hello and smile. Ask if they want to play. Offer to share your toys and games. Ask them questions like, "What's your name?" or "What do you like to do?" If someone looks lonely, invite them to come and join you. What is International Friendship Day?
It's celebrated every year on July 30th, and it's all about celebrating friendship. The very first one was back in 1958, and the United Nations made it official in 2011. Why? Because friendship helps bring peace and kindness to the world. When we care for our friends, we help make the world a happier place. So how can you celebrate International Friendship Day? Try these fun activities with your friends. Go on a picnic. Go for a bike ride. Play at the playground together. Eat lunch together, or even throw a party. You could also make a special card or a homemade present to show your friend how much you care. However you celebrate, remember, good friends make life brighter, kinder, and more fun. Happy International Friendship Day from everyone here at Twinkl. Now go and tell your friends how amazing they are. If you like this video, then like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.